Good morning, students. In the previous lecture of index number, we studied the short sums which are helpful for us in section C of index number. As you all aware that in last video lecture, we take short sums up to sum number 12, page number 5050. Now, today onwards, we move ahead. Remember, in section C, they ask 2 marks short sums. So, students, please open page number 50 of your textbook and we take sum number 13. Here is the sum 13. The question is, if the production of an item increase by 9/5 times in the year 2016 as compared to the base year, find the index number of production for the year 2016. Here, 2 years are provided. They provide us the information for 2016. See, the base year is not provided. As we studied earlier, students, whenever the base year is not there, we have to take base year as 100. Here, in this particular sum also, they only provide that 9/5 times increase. So, the base year index number is, here we have to suppose 100, that is 100. I write here the index number of the base year is rupees 100. Now it is increased by 9/5 times. So in the 2016 it increases 9/5 times. So index number for the year 2016 is index number of base year plus increase in current year. Now index number of base year is 100, that is 100 plus 9/5 times increase. So 9/5 into 100. 100 into 9/5. When we do 100 into 9/5, 5 20s are 100, 20 into 9, that is 180. So 100 plus 180, final answer is 280, that is 280. So by this way, when only one aspect is given, that this much times increase or this much percentage increase, this much percentage decrease, then we should consider the base year index number as 100. If percentage increase is there, then add into 100. If percentage decrease is there, then deduct from 100. Suppose it increases by 10%, then the index number is 110, 110. If it increases by 20%, then the index number is 120. Suppose it decreases by 5%, then the index number is 100 minus 5, that is 95. If it decreases by 2%, then index number is 100 minus 2, that is 98. By this way, we can find the percentage increase and percentage decrease with the help of 100. If times is provided, this much times increase, this much time decrease, then 100 into times. So 100 into, here they increase 9/5 times, so 100 into 9/5 times. Index number is 180. So 180 plus base year index number 100, final answer is 280, that is 280. Clear? Okay. Now last sum for section C, that is sum number 14. They provide us 2 index number, and from that 2 index number we have to find the third index number we have to find. The index number of last pair, that is IL, that is provided 221.5. The index number of Fisher, that is IF, is given 222, that is 222. We have to find the Pasch's index number. So here IP is equals to question mark. Now Friends, we apply the formula of index number of Fisher. As we all know, the formula is IF is equals to into under root IL into IP. IF is equals to into under root IL into IP. Now we put the values into the formula. IF is equals to 222 is equals to IL is 221.5. Here it is. And IP we want to find. Now, as we all aware that here the digits are in under root, while on LHS left hand side the digits are out of under root. So to remove the under root, what we have to do, students? We have to do square of both the sides. As we all know, in mathematics and statistics, we can apply the same on both the sides. We can add on both the sides, we can deduct from both the sides, or we can divide from both the sides, or we can multiply both the sides. But both the sides, that particular action we have to do. So here on LHS as well as RHS, left hand side and left hand side, both the side we do the square. Left hand side as well as right hand side, both the side we do the square. So here square of 222, here square. So on right hand side the under root removes, because the square of under root is removal of under root. Suppose under root x into under root x, the answer is x. Under root 2 into under root 2, the answer is 2. Under root 5 into under root 5, the answer is 5. So here removal of under root, that is 221.5 into IP. Now the square of 222 is 49,284 is equals to 221.5 into IP. So IP is equals to 49,284 divided by 221.5. The final answer is 222.50. Here, students, all the sums which are important for section C, short sums, is we cover here of exercise. One more illustration is there for short sums, and that I definitely provide you in the homework also. Another small sum is also there in section D. That should I also cover here. Please open your page number 51. 51, page 51. On page 51, sum number 7. Page number 51, sum number 7. Here is the question. The prices of 3 items among 5 fuel items increased by 50%, 90% and 110% in the year 2015 as compared to the base year 2014. The prices of both other 2 items decreased by 5% and 2% respectively. If the ratio of importance of these 5 items is 5:4:3:2:1, find the index number of fuel prices for the year 2015. Now, 2015 is the current year. As I explained you in the previous sum, that whenever percentage increase is there, and we have to find the index number, then 100 plus whatever increase in the percentage. Percentage decrease is there, then 100 minus whatever percentage decrease in the sum. If times is provided, then we have to multiply with 100. In short, we have to do all the actions with 100, that is 100. Here they provide the percentage increase as well as percentage decrease. First we prepare the columns. There are 5 commodities. So here I write commodity A, B, C, D and E. The next column is index number. First increase by 50%. So the index number is 150, that is 150. 100 plus 50. Why 100 plus 50? Percentage increase is there. So we have to add it into the 100. If percentage decrease is there, then deduct it from 100, 100 itself. So the index number is 150, 150. The second item increases by 90%, 90%. So the index number is 190. How? 100 plus 90. Third, increases by 110%. So 100 plus 110, that is 210. 210. Fourth, it is decreased by 5%. Remember friends, here it is decreased by 5%. So 100 minus 5, that is 95. 95. And fifth item, it is decreased by 2%. So 100 minus 2, that is 98. Now the importance of also given, this importance is, my friends, called weight or W. This importance is called weight or W. How can it is possible? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is given in the ratio 5 is to 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. So the importance of first item is 5. First item's W is 5. Then second item 4. Third item 3, 2 and 1. Last column we have to prepare, that is IW. To find the index number, last column we have to prepare, that is IW. I index number multiply with W. So 150 into 5, that is 750. 190 into 4, 760. 210 into 3, 63. 630. 95 into 2, 190. 98 into 1, 98. At last we have to do the total of column of IW and total of column of W, that is weight. The total of column of IW is 2428 and total of column of W is 1550. So finally the formula for index number is equals to sigma IW upon sigma W. Now index number is equals to 2428 divided by 15. Final answer is 161.87. So students, here today we completed all the topics of chapter 1, that is index number. First we take the different big sums, the questions which are asked in section B, section F, 5 marks. For example, method of last players, methods of passage, Fisher's index number, total expenditure method, family budget index number method, conversion method is also there. And at last we also take one illustration of when cost of living index number we have to find. They provide us index number of 4 items ready. Fifth item we find either by family budget or by total expenditure method, and after that we find the cost of living index number. And from last 3 video lectures we studied the short sums, that is which are asked in section C, 2 marks, and we take all the short sums of exercises for your practice. Now you can do more practices of short sums with the help of illustration, and I also provide you homework for these short sums. I am confident that you all are able to understand this particular topic. Thanks for your cooperation. Thank you.